One of the most common questions asked when talking about crystal healing is, how do the crystals work? It's a great question, and it's completely understandable to have some skepticism. To look at crystals, they look like pretty coloured rocks, certainly not tools for healing. However, crystal healing actually works within a law of physics known as the law of resonance, or like energy attracts like energy. Sacred geometry teaches us that everything in this universe is made up of energy and vibration, including our bodies and crystals. Our bodies naturally want to be in a state of perfection and balance. However, during times of stress, anxiety, frustration, and other negative emotions, our body can react by creating an imbalance, which can manifest as a physical ailment. Our emotional responses, our belief system, and our memories are stored in our subtle body, or our aura. Our aura is an extension of our physical body and creates a cocoon of light around us. Depending on what is going on in your life at any given time will depend on the colour, the strength, and the health of your aura. You may have seen at New Age expos or your local alternative health shop that you can photograph your aura using a special camera, and this is known as Kirlian photography. When we are balanced, happy and healthy, our aura will be bright in colour, strong, and can extend up to a foot or even more around us. When we dwell on a particular memory, or a belief that doesn't serve us, or a negative emotional response, it can cause our aura to become thin, wispy, or even create a hole in our aura. Once this is created in our energetic field, it manifests in the physical. So crystal healing can be used to assist in the healing of emotional, mental, or physical ailments. And a very effective way to do this is to work with the chakras. Chakras are where we store and distribute our energy. We are all made up of life force energy. It's what keeps our body alive and our heart beating. And this life force energy, or chi as it's also referred to, enters our body through energy points called chakras. And chakra is a Sanskrit word meaning spinning wheel or vortex. Our chakras draw in this life force energy, and it moves through the body along meridian lines, which are like pathways or energy channels that run throughout our body. Meridians work very much like blood vessels. However, instead of pumping blood through the body, they pump life force energy. Acupuncture and acupressure modalities work on meridian points as they assist in the removal of blockages in our life force or chi energy. We have 7 major chakras in our body. The first chakra is known as the root chakra or the base chakra. It is located at the base of the spine, and when this chakra is healthy, it vibrates the colour red. We work on this chakra for any ailments or diseases within the lower body, legs and feet. The second chakra is known as the sacral or sexual chakra. It is located just beneath the navel, and when this chakra is healthy, it vibrates the colour orange. And we work on this chakra for any ailments or diseases of the skin. The third chakra is known as the solar plexus chakra. It is located at the base of the sternum, and when this chakra is healthy, it vibrates the colour yellow. And we work on this chakra for any ailments or diseases that are blood specific. The fourth chakra is known as the heart chakra, and it's located near the physical heart, and when healthy, vibrates the colour pink or green. And we work on this chakra for any ailments or diseases related to the lymphatic or immune system, the circulatory system, or ailments relating to the shoulders, arms, or hands. The fifth chakra is known as the throat chakra, located in the throat area, and when healthy, it vibrates the colour blue. And we work on this chakra for any ailments such as colds, flus, or viruses. The sixth chakra is known as the brow chakra, or the third eye chakra. It's located in the middle of your forehead, just above your eyebrows. And when healthy, it vibrates the colour indigo or purple. And we work on this chakra for any ailments or diseases related to the autonomic nervous system. The seventh chakra is known as the crown chakra and is located at the top of the head and vibrates the colour white, gold or purple. And we work on this chakra for any ailments or diseases related to the central nervous system, the skeletal system, or the muscular system. You can also work specifically on an area where the ailment is clear. For example, if the throat area is sore, you can work directly on the throat chakra. If there is a pain in the knee, you can work directly on the knee area and also the base chakra. Each chakra spins at a different speed, with the first chakra spinning the slowest and the seventh chakra spinning the quickest. If a particular chakra is out of balance, you will notice it is spinning slower or faster than what is comfortable for that energy centre. It may also vibrate a different colour. A good example to tell if a chakra is spinning too fast or too slow is to gauge your energy levels relating to that particular area of your body. For example, if you're constantly on the go, constantly worried about money, finances, and how you're going to pay the bills, running from one activity to another, it would be fair to say your base chakra, which relates to our physical activity and sense of security, is spinning too fast. If, however, you spend your money flippantly, if you have no motivation or drive to do anything, no physical energy, it would be fair to say that your base chakra would be spinning too slowly. We can place different crystals onto the body at the chakra points to realign or rebalance our chakra system and therefore bring them back into their natural speed, colour and vibration. You can do this for both energetic and physical ailments. For example, if you're having a problem expressing yourself verbally, this is within your energetic field, as it is within your belief system. If you are experiencing a sore throat, your belief has escalated to be presented within your physical body. Both issues are related to your throat chakra. To rebalance, you can place a blue crystal, a blue lace agate would be ideal, on your throat chakra to assist in strengthening and rebalancing the throat chakra. The crystal, which has a vibration of its own, will connect with your energetic vibration, and as your body is continually striving for balance and harmony, the law of resonance will be engaged and your body will seek to liken its energy to that of the perfection resonating from the crystal.